Welcome everybody. This is Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you think about this bike. This is an FLSTF. It's a fat boy from 2013 with 11,352 miles and a lot of chrome. Great bars, nice and wide. Still got a lift on it and riser, bringing it closer towards you. High beams, passing lights, a decent horn, real loud, really easy to click instruments here. These buttons are incredible. You know, just really easy to click on and off. I don't know. Let's see, we have quite a few designs, just little things here. The fuel gauge is on the left-hand side, badge is in the center. Classic badge here as well. Fuel lines are Screaming Eagle. Exhaust, Vance and Hines. We do have the owner's manual for it. I did put the 2 keys on the floorboard as well. 2 keys that come with that. No security system. There's an engine guard with rubber mounts on top. The shifter pegs have the Harley-Davidson badge on it as well. What do we got here? We have the upgraded grips from Harley-Davidson. Solo seat, passenger pillion, passenger pegs, belt-driven final drive. The axle covers have changed, look real nice. All the chrome on this is spectacular. It seems like upgraded tail lights, turn signals. The sissy bar comes with a backrest and a tour rack. Even though it's not quick release, it looks real nice. A larger rear tire, and they do have Michelin Commanders on them. Vance and Hines slip-ons with the crosstalk, 2 and a 2 with the crosstalk right here. Cam cover has the classic 9, the 1, Harley-Davidson 1 with a skull in it. Beautiful bike, absolutely beautiful bike. Great trade. Front axle covers are changed out. Passing light, it's all halogen. Let me get that passing light for you. Great for visibility. I think it's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching. That just about does it. Great sound and great feeling. The clutch is tight. All the lines are really good. We're going to do a service tour and get around the road for you for a test ride. Come on down any day. We're entering spring. I don't expect this to last too long, especially on that. If anybody experiences that test ride, it is amazing. Thanks so much for watching again. Subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Thank you so much. See you in the wind. Have a good one.